And welcome to everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create different components and use them in project. First of all, let's go to the Visual Studio Code. Under SRC folder, create a folder named Components. Under Components, create two new files named header.js and footer.js. You can have the name of components as you like, just need to keep in mind that the component name should start with capital alphabet. In the new component, specify the code with simple HTML as shown in the video. Same way, add the code in footer.js. So we have added the code in the new created components. Let's learn how to link or import these components in app.js where we want to link them. For importing, let's add the command import name of the component, source, you will find the new folder which we have created components. Under the components, we can see both the files which we have added. Just as we have imported header, let's import footer too. Same way, components, footer. So now we have imported both the header and footer in app.js. Let's add them in the HTML. Specify the name which we have added. Close the tag. Same for the footer. Save your changes and go back to the browser window and you will find all the changes which we have just added. This completes this video. In the next video, we will learn how to route among different views. Do subscribe to our channel for more videos.